Hi everyone, I'm Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we are going to talk a topic related with causative verbs, and that is what we are going to talk about. Before starting that, let me discuss and share with you people that there are 26 causative verbs, out of which 6 are structure based and most important, whereas others are used as causative verbs. The following are your causative verbs: make, get, have, help, let, cause, motivate, lead, inspire, permit, persuade, convince, bribe, beg, encourage, pay, allow, enable, keep, hold, force, require, say, tell, ask, assist. Whereas six of them are structure based, and we have already talked about them in sequence one by one. In description box, I'll be sharing the link of causative verb make, get, have, and each I have changed in thousand sentences with all tenses and with all modal auxiliary verbs, which can help you a lot. So link mentioned below in description box, you can see there causative verb make, get, and have, both three of them are present. But here we will be having the analysis. We will talk about the difference between causative verb get, make, and have. So these three we are going to discuss one by one: make, get, and have. So let's start. The topic is difference between causative verb make, get, have. Now we are going to start, and that is what we will talk about, the difference between the three, and that is what we are going to discuss and talk about it. We have got the first causative verb make. Let me define this. It is used when we force someone to do a work, when we force someone. Now definitely when you force someone, so there you have got the percent, that possibility and percentage of that is 100%. And in the same way we have got the second causative verb have, get, and it has got the percentage of 75. Here we persuade someone. And last we have got the third causative verb. It is used when we ask someone, and that is 50%. Now here we have got a fully authority. Here we have got the authority, that is 75%, and have is used for 50%. Now keep in your mind formula for causative verb. The sentences for causative verb make will be always in red. Sentences for causative verb get will be in blue, and sentences for causative verb have and as will be red and blue. Why? I'll tell you. I have written these sentences in this way that the topic should be very easy for you to understand the causative verbs. Now if we see causative verb, we have written here in red. Keep in your mind, causative verb make we have written in red. That is what the formula of causative verb make and causative verb have with agent are equal, means they are same. You can see over here I have mentioned first subject, then auxiliary verb, then causative verb make, agent, first form object, full stop. And here we have got the formula subject, auxiliary verb, causative verb, agent, verb, first form object, and full stop. So the difference where we will be recognizing them, that is in blue, that is causative verb get. Subject, auxiliary verb, agent, 2 plus first form of the verb object, and full stop. The difference between causative verb get and have make, the difference is just in causative verb we only use first form, and as well as in causative verb have we also use first form. But one difference between the three is get is different from the both, and that here we use 2 plus first form of the verb. Now over here you can see causative verb make and get have, they have got the same meaning. Here we are also using first form, and in causative verb have we are also using first form. But in causative verb get we are using 2 plus first form, and sentences are I make you polish my shoes, I have you polish my shoes. They are same. But the difference between the two is I get you to polish my shoes. Here we have got the one difference, that is known as to plus first form of the verb. Now you made him clean the room. You had him clean the room. Now over there you can see here also we have used first form of the verb. Here also we have used first form of the verb. Whereas in causative verb get we have used to plus first form and sentences you got him to clean the room. Next we have got she will make me write an essay. Here again first form of the verb. She will have me write an essay. Again first form of the verb. But in causative verb get we have got one difference, that is to plus first form. We say she will get me to write an essay. Now you can see the difference between causative verb get and have and make. So this is to be clear to you people that causative verb make is used for 100%, get is used for 75%, and have is used for 50%. That is difference number one. And causative verb make is used to force, when we force someone to do a work. Causative verb get is used when we persuade someone to do a work, and causative verb have is used when we ask someone to do a work. Now over there you can see the difference number two, that causative verb make and have are equal and get is different from them. In which formula? With agent. Where your agent is present, keep in your mind there they will be same. Causative verb make and have, but get will be different from the two. Now next sentence is we are making her press the dress. Now here first form of the verb, and we are having her press the dress, again first form of the verb, but we are getting her to press the dress. Now here you can see the difference between the two, that make and have are same, whereas the causative verb get is different from this both just because of to plus first form of the verb, which is also known as full infinitive. Next we have got they were making us wash the car. Now they were having us wash the car. Now both are the first form, and the difference I told you again, that is to plus first form of the verb. They were getting us to wash the dress, to wash the car. Next sentence we have got he has made them paint the room. He has made them paint the room. He has had them paint the room, but he has gotten them to paint the room or the wall. Now that is known as causative verb make, get, have, and as with agent. And I told you already, I've mentioned the link there, you'll be just going in detail, but difference between them in causative verb with agent, make, get, have. The first difference, causative verb make is used for 100% when we force someone, get is used for 75% when we persuade someone, have is used to ask someone, and it is used for 50%. Now we will be talking about uh, causative verbs without agent. Without agent, now see, I told you make is written in red, get is written in blue, and here causative verb have is not now equal to make, it will be equal to get without agent. Keep in your mind, with agent, in with agent sentences causative verb have is equal to make, but in causative sentences without agent have is equal to get, not make. And the difference number first we have already discussed, that make is whether it is with agent or without agent, there we use it for 100%, get for 75%, and have for 50%. Now here we have got just one difference, and that is known as, here in causative verb, keep in your mind, in the sentences of causative verb you will be having one difference, and the difference is we only use first form of the verb, but in causative verb get without agent we use third form of the verb, and in have as well we use third form of the verb, and agent is removed. Keep in your mind, when agent is removed, now see, when agent is present, verb then object, verb then object, verb then object. But when agent is removed, then the places shuffle, the places will be changed. Object, then verb, object, then verb, object, then verb. Now, causative verb make without agent is first form always at the end, but in causative verb get we and have we use third form of the verb, and now over there they are same. So you can see that say that have is 50-50 in percentage as well as in sentences. With agent it is equal to make. In with agent it supports, you can say make, but in without agent it supports get. So it is with both. Now formula, we have got subject, auxiliary verb, causative verb, object first form, but here we have got subject, auxiliary verb, causative verb, object third form, and as well as subject, auxiliary verb, causative verb, object and third form. Now sentences: I make shoes polish, first form. I get shoes polished and I have shoes polished, third form of the verb. I made the room clean, first form. I got the room cleaned and I had the room cleaned, again third form of the verb. She will make an essay write. She will get an essay written. She will have an essay written, third form. We are making the dress press. We are getting the dress pressed. We are having the dress pressed, third form of the verb. And they were making the car wash. They were getting the car washed. They were having the car washed, third form. He has made the wall paint. He has gotten the wall paint and he has had the wall painted. So third form always without agent in causative verb get and have, but in causative verb make, first form of the verb. So hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.